Hello, this is Patrick White with your Friday, September 25th morning market update. Grain markets are seeing some lightly higher trade here in the overnight session. We've got December corn up 1 3/4 cents at 3.65 1/4. November soybeans are up 1 cent at 10.01 and even. The corn market is higher to close the week here on profit taking after the last 4 days of bashing that the market has taken. Despite strong export demand and dryness reported in Argentina, traders are still having issues rallying corn due to harvest pressure from the U.S. crop. The December corn chart is keeping itself above the 360 to 361 support level for the time being here, and sellers are keeping rallies into the upper 360s cap for the time being. We could be in to see some sideways trading action here between those two levels here, the low 360s and the upper 360s here today and early on here next week in the December contract, as it looks like buyers are still present here on sell-offs at this point, and it has not been a sheer drop-off like many of the other markets here have seen recently. Soybeans are seeing some light buying here come in to close out the week. The soybean oil market is 25 points higher at this time, and they're reversing a little bit of their bashing that they've taken the last 4 days. And that's what's keeping bulls able to step up and add in some longs here into the soybean market this morning. Like corn, soybeans are also feeling some harvest pressure here, that has overshadowed strong demand, and that has brought us back to the $10 psychological support level in the November contract. This morning, there was 100,000 tons of soybeans announced that were sold to China here yesterday, and we're going to see if that can continue to add to the lightly bullish trade that we've seen here this morning. Since sellers have not completely taken control at this point in the soybean market, and bulls and strong physical demand are still around, I am still thinking that we could see a sideways trading range between the upper 990s and that 1020 level in the November contract here next week. This market is still sitting at $10.01 even here this morning, so I think we're towards the lower end of that range here for now, but we'll see what happens here going on into next week. So that's all I've got for today, and have a productive end to your week. Remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606.